right now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still 5 below zero, and the wind is blowing a lot, probably 30 below wind chill. The horses are getting used to it. It's not bothering them at all. They're up there now eating. This brook here, I just told you what the temperatures are, and the water is still flowing, so that's good. They're all getting their snow bath. That hay keeps that internal furnace working. Without it, I don't know. I feel sorry for the animals out in the woods, you know, deer and stuff. It's just tough weather for them. We probably can't see Spike, but he's under that pile of hay and tarps. Spike! There he is.